Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Gdrasuya10 52 cubic centimeters handheld power sweeping broom, 2-stroke, 2.3 HP, walk nylon brush sweeping sweeper broom. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: 2-cycle mixture, handheld power sweeper. It is ideal for cleaning lawns from with sand embedded, or walkways. Wide handheld broom for cleaning boulevards and driveways. Brush head width 580 mm or 22.83 inch, baffle width 600 mm or 23.62 inch, 255 mm or 10.04 inch, diameter. Nylon brush sweeping broom is good for cleaning up of light debris such as heavy loose dirt, from hard surfaces. Listing: host, brush head, drive shaft, bezel, handle, proportioning pot, manual, tool bag. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.